Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Bel Air South, local and long-distance movers near me. Finding a long-distance Bel Air mover south at competitive pricing isn't always easy. You need a Bel Air moving company within reasonable rates, expert movers, and expert logistics to ensure your move goes off without a hitch, particularly if you're moving across country. That's why you should trust 3 movers. We serve customers in Maryland and throughout the entire United States with our long-distance and interstate moves. Our years of experience, coupled with a lot of satisfied and happy customers, ensure we're up to any challenge, and our skilled, licensed, and insured movers will always take great care of your household goods and valuables. 3 Movers is a full-service moving company that delivers great services, stress-free and hassle-free. We offer teams of experts, polite movers equipped with the latest tools and trucks to help you move locally in Bel Air South and the surrounding areas. As one of the most reliable and family-owned Bel Air moving companies with affordable hourly rates, guaranteed moving dates, and a dedication to customer satisfaction, you can trust us to take great care of your things throughout the moving process and save you a lot of time and effort. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Bel Air South moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.